How to verify your email on Discord and fix this issue on your Discord account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Discord. Then guys, when your Discord is opening, you will just go down and open your profile. Then you will go to account and click. Then as you see here, they told me to verify my email. I will click verify. Then I will click resend email. Then I will go to my Gmail. Where is? And then they will send me a message as you see here, Discord. I will click. Then I will wait until I will go to click verify email. And then I will wait. And then I will click continue to Discord. And I will wait again. And now when I back to account, now my email is verified and I fixed this problem. That's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel. See you next